So, good afternoon students. So, my name is Nagbhushan, selection grade lecturer, Government Polytechnic, Bagepalli. So, now I am taking 3 chapters. So, in the integral calculus, first chapter indefinite integration, second chapter definite integration, third chapter applications of definite integration. So, you already learnt the concept of differentiation and applications of differentiation in previous classes. Now, I am going to give, so what is integration? So, what is the application, what is the importance of integration? See here, by using the concept of integration, we can find area. So, we can find area. By knowing small area, we can find area of the big building or big land, etc. And also using the concept of integration, so we can find volume of solid of revolution and average value of the function and also root mean square value of the function. These are the main applications of integration. And there are 2 types of integration, indefinite integration and definite integration. Now, I am going to explain the concept of integration. What is integration means? See here, integration is the reverse process of differentiation. See here, observe this figure. So, observe this figure. So, this is function, this is function, this is derivative, derivative. So, if the function is given, process to find derivative, that is differentiation. So, that is differentiation. So, reverse process of differentiation is called integration. See here, if derivative of the function is given, process to find the function is called integration. So, what is integration? Integration is the reverse process of differentiation. Integration is the reverse process of differentiation. In case of differentiation, function is given, process to find the derivative, that is called differentiation. In integration, derivative of the function is given, process to find the function is called integration. So, integration is the reverse process of differentiation, that is the definition of integration. Now, one more definition, integration means clubbing together, clubbing together. Integration means clubbing together. So, this is the concept of integration. You see here, when function is given, process to find the derivative of the function is called differentiation. Reverse process of differentiation, that is, if the derivative of the function is given, process to find the function is called integration. See here, next part. Next part, suppose if d by dx of f of x function is equal to q of x. This is derivative. Derivative of the function f of x is equal to qx. Reverse process. See here, integration of qx dx is equal to f of x plus c. So, this is integration, this is differentiation. So, now I am going to explain each term here, So, this symbol denotes, this is the symbol denotes integration. So, this symbol denotes integration and the term inside the integral, that is q of x is called integrand, q of x is called integrand. Then what is dx? Dx is called variable of integration. So, variable may be dt, du, dv, etc. So, dx is variable of integration, that is x. Here variable is x, variable may change t, u, etc. Then what is f of x? See here, this f of x is got after integrating the function qx. So, this is called integrated function. After integration, this is integrated function, What is c? C is arbitrary constant, So, why c to be introduced? Why c to be introduced here? See here, this symbol integral of q of x dx is called indefinite integration. Q of x dx is called indefinite integration. Indefinite, there is no definite value for this indefinite integral. So why is c to be introduced here? So I will give one example to introduce y after integrated function. See here, so d by dx of sin x. What is d by dx of sin x? Derivative of sin x with respect to x is cos x. So cos x. Integration of cos x is sin x. Reverse process. Integration of cos x. Integration of cos x is equal to sin x with respect to dx. That is variable of integration. Now see here, what is d by dx of sin x plus 5? That is also equal to cos x. Similarly, d by dx of sin x plus 10, that is also equal to cos x. Similarly, d by dx of sin x plus 15 is also equal to cos x. So integration is the reverse process of differentiation. Integration of cos x is sin x. Okay. What is the integration of cos x, sin x plus 5, sin x plus 10, sin x plus 15? All these solutions are there. All these solutions differ only in the constant. Here constant 5, 10, 15, etc. So they differ only in the constant. So therefore this difference is nothing but plus c. So therefore c to be written after integration of the given function. Why c to be introduced? Because all these functions derivatives are same. Sin x plus 5, sin x plus 10, sin x plus 15, all these derivatives are same cos x. Therefore all these solutions differ only in the constant. Therefore constant to be introduced after integration. So this is called indefinite integration. Therefore c to be introduced. We don't know the value of c. So therefore this is called indefinite integration. Next part. So what are the standard results? So what are the standard results? So now I am going to write all these results just by reversing the results of derivative, just by reversing the derivatives. See here, first one, integration of x power n. First I am going to write all algebra x power n dx. Dx is variable integration, that is x. X power n is the integrand. So what is x power n dx? So x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. So for all, this symbol represent for all values of n except n is equal to minus 1, n is equal to minus 1. See here, this result holds good for all values of n, that is minus infinity to plus infinity except n is equal to minus 1. Why this result not holds good for n is equal to minus 1? See here, if you put n is equal to minus 1, we get x power minus 1. X power minus 1 can be written as 1 over x. So log of x differentiation is 1 over x, or derivative of log x is 1 over x. Therefore reverse integration of 1 over x is log x. So second one, integration of 1 by x dx is equal to log x plus c. Only for n is equal to minus 1, second result holds good. For all values of n, first result holds good. So third one, see here, integration of e power x dx. Integration of e power x dx is equal to e power x plus c. C to be written after integrating the function. E power x differentiation is also e power x. E power integration is equal to e power x. See here, integration of 1 by x dx is equal to log x. Derivative of log x is 1 by x. So fourth result, integration of u plus r minus v dx, where u and v are functions of x. So we can split into two integrals depending on the number of terms in the integrand. So they are connected by plus or minus. So that is equal to u dx plus or minus v dx, where u and v are functions of x. U and v are functions of x. So this is fourth result. So, fifth one, see here, integration of a power x dx is equal to a power x divided by log a base e plus c. So, this is also a standard result, integration of a power x dx is equal to a power x log a base e plus c. Sixth result, integration of ax plus b whole power n dx, where a and b are constant, x is the variable. So, we get ax plus b whole power n plus 1 divided by a into n plus 1, so plus c. So, this c is arbitrary constant or constant of integration. So, seventh one, see here, integration of a trigonometric function, that is sin x dx, sin x dx is equal to minus cos x plus c, minus cos x plus c. Cos x differentiation is minus sin x, reverse process, that is sin x dx integration is cos x plus c. So, eighth result, integration of cos x dx is equal to sin x plus c. So, these are the two trigonometric results. So, ninth one, integration of secant square x dx is equal to tan x plus c. Tan x differentiation is secant square x. So, 10th result, integration of cosecant square x is equal to cosecant square x dx is equal to minus cot x plus c. So, 11th result, integration of secant x tan x dx is equal to secant x plus c. 12th one, integration of cosecant x cot x dx is equal to minus cosecant plus c. So, these are the results. So, 6 trigonometric results, secant square, cosecant square, secant x, tan x, etc. One more result, that is integration of sin mx dx, that is multiple angle, m is any number, that is from 1 to infinity. Sin mx dx is equal to minus cos mx by m plus c. Sin mx dx is equal to minus cos mx by m plus c. So, 14th one, integration of cos mx dx is equal to sin mx plus c, sin mx by m plus c. In all these results, c is there, that is constant of integration. See here, up to 5, 6th one algebraic terms, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 are trigonometric functions involved. Next I am going to write 3 more results, so which involve inverse trigonometric functions, So, I must know all these standard results to work out problems based on different types of integration. Next 15th and 16th, 17th, 15th one, integration of 1 by root of 1 minus x square dx is equal to sin inverse x plus c or minus cos inverse x plus c. See here, sin inverse x differentiation or derivative of sin inverse x is 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Derivative of cos inverse x is minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square, transfer minus to that side. So, we get 1 by root of 1 minus x square integration, you will be getting minus cos inverse x plus c. 16th one, integration of 1 by 1 plus x square dx, integration of 1 by 1 plus x square dx, that is tan inverse x plus c or minus cot inverse x plus c. So, differentiate tan inverse x, you will be getting 1 by 1 plus x square. Similarly, differentiation of cot inverse x is minus 1 by 1 plus x square, transfer minus to that side. So, you will be getting 1 by 1 plus x square integration is minus cot inverse x plus c. 17th result, integration of 1 by x into root of x square minus 1 dx. So, integration of 1 by x into root of x square minus 1 dx is equal to secant inverse x plus c, that is also equal to minus cosecant inverse x plus c. You can observe minus sign is only for the inverse trigonometric function starts with the c, that is cos inverse x, cot inverse x, cosecant inverse x. These are minus signs, and sin inverse, tan inverse, secant inverse are positive signs. You can remember easily. So, any inverse trigonometric function starts with minus, start with c. So, all those are negative signs. So, these are the standard results which I am going to use to work out problems based on indefinite integration. See here, so there are three methods. First one is basic method. So, what is basic method means? So, you can apply the formula and integrate. Second method, integration by substitution method. Second method is integration by substitution method. Third method, integration by parts, that is product rule. So, one more point to be noted, there is no quotient rule in integration, only product rule is there. Integration of quotient of functions you can apply, that is the integration by substitution method. If numerator and denominator is there, take the substitution for numerator and denominator depending on the function. So, here only basic method is there, then second method integration by substitution, third method is integration by parts, that is product rule. Now, so I am going to consider some of the problems today on basic method. So, observe these problems. So, problem number 1. So, first I am going to write only algebra terms, very simple problem, x power 5 dx. Second problem, integration of x square minus 7x plus 10 dx, that is variable of integration. So, third problem, integration of root x minus 1 by root x whole square dx. Fourth problem, x plus 1 over x whole cube dx. So, fifth problem, see here, integration of ax square plus bx plus c divided by x dx. Sixth problem, integration of cosecant square x plus 1 by x plus e power minus 3x dx. So, seventh problem, integration of root x plus e power minus 4x plus 6x square plus 8 sin x minus sin x dx. So, only in these problems, so trigonometric functions are introduced. So, how to integrate these simple problems applying these standard results that I have written on the board. Now, see here, integration of x power 5 dx. So, which result to be used to integrate this? So, the first result, x power n dx is equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. This result holds good for all values of n except n is equal to minus 1. Here n value is 5. Therefore, integrate. After integration, do not write the symbol, integration symbol. Suppose if you want to simplify integrand, write the symbol. After integration, do not write the symbol, integral symbol. Now, on the basis of this formula, x power n dx is equal to x power n plus 1 divided by. So, what is n value? N value is 5. Therefore, x power n plus 1 means 5 plus 1 divided by 5 plus 1 plus c. So, we get the answer x power 6 by 6 plus c. constant of integration. This is the very simple problem. So, I start the problem with easy and go to the difficult side. So, easy to difficult. Now, second problem. See here, we can work out second problem in two ways. One way, just integrate term by term, using the formula integration of u plus r minus v. See here, x square minus 7x plus 10 dx, x square minus 7x plus 10. So, first method, split into 3 integrals. Why? Because there are 3 terms. So, keeping constant outside the integral. See here, first one x square dx minus 7 is a constant, right outside the symbol, x dx plus 10 is a constant, right dx. So, one integral split into 3 indefinite integrals. So, indefinite integral means there is no limit, upper limit, lower limit. If limits are there, that is definite integral. After completion of indefinite integration, I am going to explain definite integration. See here, there are 3 integrals. Use the formula x power n to integrate x square. Integration of x square is x cube by 3. Integration of x cube plus minus 7 into x integration, x power is 1. So, put n is equal to 1, we get x square 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 10 into dx integration is x. See here, if you differentiate x, we get dx. Dx integration is x, therefore, dx integration is x. So, now I am going to write only one c, y sir. There are 3 integrals, why 3c to be written? C plus c plus c is also a c, c plus c. For example, 10 plus 15 plus 20, all constants, 35, 45, again 45 is also a constant. Therefore, 1c to be written after integrating 3 indefinite integrals. So, only 1c is written. So, this is one way, that is by splitting into 3 integrals. Another way, we can integrate directly in only one step, that is last step. See here, x square integration using the formula is x cube by 3. Integration of x square is x cube by 3. Minus 7 is a constant and x is a variable. So, only integrate the variable, keep the constant as it is. 7 is a constant, x square x integration is x square by 2 plus 10 is a constant, dx integration is x, 10x plus c. So, answers are same. So, there are 2 ways to integrate if there is a trinomial inside the integrand. Trinomial means 3 different terms, 3 different x square, 7x, 10, 3 different terms are there. In such case, integrate term by term or split into 3 integrals and integrate 1 by 1. So, this is 2 procedure to integrate such trinomial or binomial functions. Now, see here, root x minus 1 by root x whole square, third problem, integration of root x minus 1 by root x whole square dx. In case of differentiation, if the power is there, for example, x plus 1 whole square, how to differentiate? If the binomial rise to power 2, this is also binomial rise to power 2. Here, first differentiate the power. Differentiate the power means 2 into x plus 1. Now, differentiate terms inside the bracket. Integration differentiation of x is 1, differentiation of 1 is 0, that is 2 into x plus. But in case of integration, we cannot integrate power then integrate the function. In such cases, you must expand you must expand and simplify the integrand. You must expand and simplify the integrand. See here, a root x minus 1 by root x whole square, the power is 2. So, using binomial theorem, if you expand this, you will be getting 3 terms. If the power is 2, number of terms in the expansion is 3. So, in general binomial theorem, number of terms in the expansion is 1 more than the power of the binomial. Now, power 2 idre, you will be getting 3 terms, power more idre, so you will be getting 4 terms like that. So, before going to integrate, you must expand using a minus b whole square formula. What is a minus b whole square formula? So, a square plus b square minus 2ab. First, apply the formula, expand the integrand. See here, a square root x whole square, a square is root x whole square, plus b square means plus 1 by root x whole square, minus 2 into a into b, a is root x, b is root x 1 by root x dx. See here, root x cancel. Now, root x whole square, root x into root x is x, plus 1 by root x whole square, 1 square is 1, root x square is x, 1 by x, root x cancel, minus 2 dx. So, you will be getting 3 terms in the integrand after expanding binomial raised to power 2. Now, we can split into 3 integrals or integrate term by term. See here, integration of x dx, integration of 1 by x dx, minus 2 is a constant, write variable after integration. So, while doing integration concept, keep the constant before the integral symbol, write the variable after in the integrand. Now, what is the integral of x? Integral of x, this is nothing but its power is 1. Use the first formula, integration of x power n, that is x power n plus 1, 1 plus 1 2 by n plus 1 is 2, plus integration of 1 over x, that is standard result log x, integration of 1 by x is log x, minus 2 is a constant, dx integration is x plus c. So, integral of root x minus 1 by root x whole square dx is equal to x square by 2 plus log x minus 2x plus c. So, one more point to be noted, if any binomial, trinomial raised to power 2, 3 etc., in such case you must expand and write the expansion in the integral symbol and integrate term by term. This is the procedure. Next, one more problem is there. In that case, the binomial raised to power 3. So, binomial raised to power 3. So, next problem, fourth problem, integrand, we can write I is equal to given integral x plus 1 over x whole cube dx, x plus 1 over x whole cube dx. So, there is a formula in high school. So, we can apply that formula. So, what is a plus b whole cube? A plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. The same formula we can also write in the form a cube plus b cube 3ab into a plus b. Both expansions are correct. Here brackets are removed, 3ab into a, 3a square b, 3ab into b, 3ab square. Using that formula, expand the integrand, See here, what is a cube? A is x, so in place of a, x is there. In place of b, so 1 over x is there. Power is 3, so n is equal to 3. Now, a cube means x cube plus b cube means 1 by x cube plus 3a square b, 3a square is x square, b is 1 by x, 3a square b plus 3ab square, 3x into 1 by x square dx. See here, a plus b whole cube is equal to, a cube means x cube, b cube means 1 by x cube, 3a square b, 3a square is x square plus b is 1 over x plus 3a, 3x into 1 by x square. Now simplify this. One more point to be noted, there is no quotient rule integration, therefore take all the terms to the numerator, take all the terms to the numerator. So x cube plus x power minus 3, x cancels x square x times 3x plus 3, x divides x square x times 3 by x dx. Now all terms are in the numerator except in the last term 3 by x. There is a standard result to integrate 3 by x, that is 3 log x, therefore keep as it is. Now integrate x power 3 using the first result x power 4 by 4 plus x power minus 3 plus 1 divided by minus 3 plus 1. I already explained integration of x power n dx is equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. So this result holds good for all values of n except n is equal to minus 1. Here n is minus 3, n is 3, result holds good for both the cases. So x power minus 3 plus 1 by minus 3 plus 1, 3 into x means x square by 2 plus 3 into 1 by x integration is log x. After integration write the constant of integration, that is c, constant of integration, that is c. Now write the final answer, x power 4 by 4 plus into minus minus, x power minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2 by minus 2, I have written minus here, plus 3x square by 2 plus 3 log x plus c. So this is the integral ಅಥವಾ integrated function of x plus 1 over x, or integration of x plus 1 over x whole cube is x power 4 by 4 minus x power minus 2 by 2 plus 3x square by 2 plus 3 log x plus c. So this is the procedure to integrate if the integrand binomial or trinomial expressed to power 2 and 3. See here, fifth problem. I give an integral ax square plus bx plus c divided by x. A, b, c are constants, a, b, c are constants, x is the variable. A, b, c are constants, x is the variable. Now see here, there is only one term in the denominator, there is only one term, that is x. So take the term to the numerator, take the term to the numerator. Before going to integrate, you must make all terms to be in the numerator except one x, 1 over x. In that case 1 over x integration is log x. So take all terms. See here, so to prepare anything you must prepare previous things, that is, for example, if you want to do holige, so first prepare the dal etc., and wheat in some other place, and using stove you can prepare the holige. ಅಂದರೆ ಹೋಳಿಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅದೇ ಥರ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಇನ್ ಸಚ್ ಎ ವೇ ದಟ್ ಈಚ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಟೆಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ, ಅಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಕೂಡ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಬೇಕು. ಎ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬೈ ಎಕ್ಸ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬೈ ಎಕ್ಸ್, ಈಚ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಟು ಬಿ divided by x, there is a common base x, then bx plus by x plus c by x, variable of integration is dx. Now a x square by x is ax, x divides x square x times, plus xx cancel b plus c by x dx. Now all terms are in the form of integration, we can easily integrate. Now see here, a is a constant, keep it outside, into x dx, b is a constant, variable of integration is dx, c is a constant, 1 by x dx. So, one integral split into three different indefinite integrals, Now, integrate one by one. A is a constant, write as it is. Integration of x, x square by 2, integration of x is x square by 2 plus b is a constant. Dx integration, that is variable of integration, is x plus c is a constant. 1 over x dx integration is log x, write only 1c, do not write 3c. 3c is equal to c, 3c is equal to c. 3 into constant is also a constant, constant plus constant is also a constant. C means sweet, consider sweet plus sweet is also a sweet. Iga Mysore Pak plus Badusha is again a sweet. So, sweet plus sweet is a sweet, like that. Constant plus constant is also a constant. Do not write 3c here, c plus c plus c. Now, see here, sixth problem, given integral is equal to cosecant square x plus 1 over x plus e power minus 3x into dx. One trigonometric function is there, one algebra term, one exponential term is there. How to integrate? So, you may expect one simple problem having two terms in the integrand for 2 marks. If 5 different terms are there in the integrand, you will be getting such type of question for 5 marks. See here, now integration of cosecant square are split into 3 integrals. There are 3 terms in the integrand. So, therefore, split into 3 different indefinite integrals. First one is cosecant square x dx, integration of 1 by x dx, integration of e power minus 3x dx. Now, term by term or integrate one by one. Integration of cosecant square x is minus cot x plus integration of 1 by x dx integration is log x plus integration of e power minus 3x by minus 3, e power minus 3x by minus 3. After integrating, write arbitrary constant, that is constant of integration. Now, simplify once again, minus cot x plus log x plus into minus minus e power minus 3x by minus 3, minus into minus plus. So, this is constant of integration. See here. So, I will explain the integration of e power plus thing one time and minus thing one time. See here, observe here. For example, integration of e power 2x. So, dx variable of integration, you will be getting e power 2x by 2. So, integration of e power 2x is e power 2x by 2. Now, differentiation of e power 2x by 2, you must get e power 2x, observe here. So, d by dx of e power 2x by 2, that is equal to 1 by 2 is a constant, 1 by 2 is a constant, e power 2x differentiation is e power 2x, 2x differentiation is 2, 2 cancel, we get back e power 2x. So, why I am explaining this concept means, if you integrate e power 2x, you will be getting e power 2x by 2. How? Because if you differentiate this thing, you will get back e power 2x. I will explain same concept for negative term also. Observe here, e power minus 3x dx, e power minus 3x dx. What is the integral of e power minus 3x dx is e power minus 3x by minus 3 plus constant of integration, Now, reverse, differentiation of e power minus 3x by minus 3 must be equal to e power minus 3x. Why? Because integration is the reverse process of differentiation. Integration of e power minus 3x dx is e power minus 3x by minus 3 plus c. Therefore, derivative of d by dx of e power minus 3x by minus 3 is equal to, see here, minus 1 by 3 is a constant, minus 1 by 3 is a constant. Now differentiate the variable e power minus 3x, that is equal to into e power minus 3x into minus 3. Why? E power minus 3x integration is differentiation e power minus 3x, minus 3x differentiation is minus 3. So, 3 cancel, minus into minus plus e power minus 3x. So, e power minus 3x integration is e power minus 3x by minus 3 plus c. So, observe these two cases, one for positive, so one for negative. Now, next problem, root x, seventh problem, integration of root x plus e power minus 4x plus 6x square plus 8 sin x, 8 sin x. Four different terms are here. One trigonometry algebra, so root algebra, so this is e power minus 4x. There are four different terms are there in the integrand, four different terms. Now integrate term by term or split into four integrals, split into four integrals. See here, root x dx plus e power minus 4x dx plus 6 is a constant, right outside the integral sign, x is a variable, x square dx plus 8 is a constant, so integration of sin x dx. So, one integral split into four indefinite integrals. Now integrate one by one. See here, root x means we can take x power of. Suppose if cube root of x is there, take x power 1 by 3, fourth root of x is there, take x power 1 by 4. So, therefore, here root x is there, so write in the form of power x power of plus write same thing e power minus 4x dx, here also variable of integration dx plus constant x square dx plus 8 into sin x dx. See here, so I will explain if the power is 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4 etc. whole number 1, suppose if power is 1, 1 plus 1 like that. So, half is there. So, x power n dx, x power n dx is equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. This holds good for all values of n except n is equal to minus. Similarly, here n is equal to half, n is equal to half. Integration of x power of using this formula, x power n is half, half plus 1 divided by n plus 1 is half plus 1. Now, integration of e power minus 4x, integration of e power minus 4x is e power minus 4x divided by minus 4 plus 6 is a constant, integration of x square using the same formula x power n is equal to 2, that is n plus 1 is 3 by n plus 1 is 2 plus 1 is 3 plus 8 constant, sin x integration is minus cos x. So, if you get minus value, right bracket or positive value, write directly. After integrating all, write only 1c, that is constant of integration. See here all of you. Half plus 1 means half plus 1, arda plus 1, onduvare, or take the LCM, half plus 1, denominator is 1, LCM is 2, 2 divides 2 1 time plus 1 divide 2 time, 2 plus 1 3 by 2, or easily half plus 1 is 1 and half, that is x to the power of 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 of plus 1. So, plus into minus, minus e power minus 4x by 4. So, plus into minus is minus e power minus. See here 3 divides 6 2 times, 3 divides 6 2 times, that is 2x cube, plus into minus, minus 8 cos x plus c. So, this is the value of the given integral, that is root x plus e power minus 4x plus 6 plus 8 sin x is x power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 minus e power minus 4x plus by 4 plus 2x cube minus 8 cos x plus c. So, this is the procedure to integrate. Now, I am going to write some more problems which involve algebra, inverse trigonometric function and trigonometric functions. See here, now 8th problem, integration of sin square x, integration of sin square x dx. 9th problem, integration of cos square x dx. The power of the trigonometric function is 2. We can also write sin x whole square, in this case we can also write cos x whole square. So, before this I explained if the binomial algebra terms rise to power 2, 3 etc. Now, I am going to write how to integrate if the power of the trigonometric function is more than 2. But in the case of differentiation, we can easily differentiate. See here, sin square x, d by dx of sin square x is easily differentiable. So, power is 2, first integrate the power, sin square integration is 2 sin x, sin power 2 or sin square x differentiation is 2 sin. Now, differentiate the function, sin x differentiation is cos x. So, therefore, integration of differentiation of sin square x is 2 sin x cos x. But in the case of integration, we cannot integrate power then integrate the function. There is separate method to integrate such functions. See here, 8th problem, integration of sin square x dx. One more point to be noted here. So, to work out problems on integration, you must also know the standard formula in trigonometry which you are already discussed and learnt in the first semester. So, in which multiple angle formula, sin square is there. See here, there are 3 results with respect to multiple angle formula cos 2x. So, what are those 3 results? Cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x minus 1 result, 1 minus 2 sin square x second result, third result cos square x minus sin square x. So, this is purely Kesari bath, this is purely Kara bath, this is mixed Kara bath and Kesari bath, this is mixed, this is separate, this is separate. Now, see here, in which multiple angle formula, there are 3 formula for the same multiple angle cos 2x, one in sin form, one in cos form, one in mixed form cos and sin. In which formula sin square is there? In the second formula. So, observe here, simplify in the margin and write simplified in the integrand side. See here, cos 2x is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x. Cos 2x is equal to 1 minus 2 sin. We want the value of sin square in terms of multiple angle, So, transfer minus 2 sin square to this side, you will be getting 2 sin square x 1. Transfer this cos 2x to that side, cos 2x. Here 2 sin square x is there, in the integrand only 1 sin square x is there. Transfer the to that side, we get sin square x is equal to half into 1 minus cos 2x. Now, writing power of the trigonometric function in terms of multiple of the trigonometric function. So, power in terms of multiple angle. Now, what happens to the given integral I? I is equal to, Now write sin square, that is half into 1 minus cos 2x. 1 minus cos. Half is a constant, write it outside. Half is a constant, write it outside. So 1 minus cos 2x dx. So this half is constant, which applies for both the terms in the integrand. Suppose if you want to split into two indefinite integrals, write big bracket. Why? Because this half is both for 1 and cos 2x. So write 1 integration of 1 dx minus integration of cos 2x dx, close the bracket. See here. So I am writing sin square x as half into 1 minus cos 2x. Half is a constant, write it outside. Then 1 minus cos 2x. Split into two indefinite integrals. Half is a constant which applies for both the terms. So therefore write big bracket. Inside the big bracket write two indefinite integrals, that is 1 dx minus cos 2x. Now half into integration of 1 dx. 1 is a constant, dx is a variable. Integration of 1 dx is x. See here, observe this formula. Integration of k dx is equal to kx plus c. K is a constant. So integration of k dx is equal to kx plus c. So differentiate kx, you will be getting back k. So therefore integral of constant into variable is equal to constant into variable, that is x. So 1 dx integration is x minus cos 2x integration. So observe the formula, that is multiple angle formula. So cos mx sin mx formula. What is the integration of cos mx dx? That is multiple angle. M is multiple number. So from 1 to infinity. Cos mx dx is equal to standard result sin mx by m plus c. So what is the integral of cos mx? That is sin mx by m plus c. Now observe the result and apply the result for cos 2x. That is minus sign is there. Integration of cos mx, what is the value of m? M is 2. Therefore sin mx, sin m is 2, sin mx, that is sin 2x by m is 2. So write the symbol constant of integration, that is c. So integral of sin square x dx is half into x minus sin 2x by 2 plus c. So this is the procedure if the trigonometric function rise to 2. So I am going to consider one more problem, that is cos square x in this class. So in the next class I am going to discuss if the power of the trigonometric function is 3, that is sin cube x and cos cube x in the next class. Now I am going to consider one more problem, that is cos square x. How to integrate cos square x? See here all of you, integration of cos square x dx, I is equal to cos square x dx. Here, so trigonometric function power is 2. So what are the results having cos square x? Observe these two results, expansion of multiple angle of cos 2x. Cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x minus 1, 1 minus 2 sin square x cos square minus. So in which multiple angle formula cos square x is there? In the first formula, that is cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square minus 1. So write the formula, cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. Now transfer minus 1 this side, that is cos 2x plus 1 is equal to 2 cos square x, or we can write 2 cos square x is equal to 1 plus cos 2x. So if you interchange LHS and RHS, no change. See here, suppose if you keep 10 kg laddu one side and 10 kg stone one side, if you reverse the balance like this, no change will be occur. The 10 kg will be continue. So, similarly, so I am interchanging LHS and RHS, that is cos 2x plus 1 is equal to 2 cos square x. I am writing 2 cos square x is equal to 1 plus cos 2x, no change. LHS and RHS are interchanged. Now, here cos square x is there, here 2 cos square x is equal to 1 plus cos 2x. So, write the formula for cos square x, write the formula for cos square x. This 2 goes to the denominator in the RHS, that is nothing but half into 1 plus cos 2x. So, what is cos square x? Cos square x is equal to half into 1 plus cos 2x. Now, writing power of trigonometric function in terms of multiple angle. Here power cos square x is there, cos 2x, that is multiple angle form. So, if you write the power in terms of multiple, then we can easily integrate. But if the power of the trigonometric function is there 2, 3, so we cannot integrate directly. Now, I is equal to, how to write cos square x? Half into 1 plus 2 cos x. Half is a constant, write it outside the integral sign. Half is a constant, write it outside the integral sign. What is cos square x? Half into the bracket. What is there in the bracket? So, bracket 1 plus cos 2x is there. So, 1 plus cos 2x is there. So, into dx, that is variable of integration. So, that is equal to half is a constant, write big bracket, split into 2 integrals. So, 1 plus cos 2, 1 is a constant, cos 2x is a variable, split into 2 integrals. So, 1 into dx. So, 1 into dx, 1 is a constant, variable, that is variable of integration is dx, plus integration of cos 2x dx, close the bracket. One indefinite integral split into 2 indefinite integral, because there are 2 terms in the integrand, Now, see here, half into integration of 1 with respect to dx is x, because on differentiation of x you will be getting dx, reverse process of differentiation is nothing but integration. So, dx integration is x, that is dx integration is x, plus observe the formula once again, cos mx dx integration is sin mx by m plus c, cos mx dx is equal to sin mx by m plus c on integration. So, now what is m value? So, m value is 2, cos mx means cos 2x, put m is equal to 2, that is sin 2x, divided by 2, m is 2. So, in the place of m, put m is equal to 2. Now, this is sub plus c, constant of integration, this applies for both the integrals, or remove the bracket. So, we get x by 2 plus sin 2x by 2 into 2, 4 plus c. So, this is the integral of cos square x dx. So, this is the procedure to integrate if the power of the trigonometric function is 2, 3, etc. So, in the next class I am going to consider problems, that is sin cube x and cos cube x, and some more problems which involve rationalization, factorization, everything in the next class. So, I am going to take one more class to consider problems based on basic method. After completion of basic method, so I am going to take the substitution method. So, why substitution method is used? So, these things you must know after integrating basic problems. Basic problems means without applying any standard result, only formula, substitution, etc. I am going to explain the coming classes. So, thank you one and all.